or through the recitation of the Tasbeeh of Hazrat al-Zahra salamullah alayha. You know that Tasbeeh that we do after every namaz? You know that Tasbeeh that Allah. Finish it. 1 minute, straight through it. If only we understood. This is that Tasbeeh that is given to Sayyidah when she says to the Holy Prophet, "Oh Father, I need something to help me in the home, the work is too much." The Holy Prophet says, "I can do this for you, or I can give you a Tasbeeh." Then whoever recites it, their du'as are accepted. Says, "I'll take the Tasbeeh." Not even that, go further. The sixth Imam says, this same Tasbeeh that me and you recite at super speed, that we don't even know what we're saying, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Alhamdulillah, Subhanallah. You hear people, you sometimes like, what are you reciting? What are we doing? Is this ibadat? What does the sixth Imam say about this? He says, "Tasbih Fatimah fi kulli yawm fi dabri kulli salah ahabbu alayya min salat al-alf rak'ah." He says that the tasbih of my grandmother after every salah, every day, is dearer to me than 1,000 rakats of mustahab namaz. These are not my and your mustahab namaz. This is the mustahab namaz of Imam al-Sadiq. This is the namaz, Surah al-Hamd of Imam al-Sadiq. These are the ruku' of Imam al-Sadiq. These are the sajdas of Imam al-Sadiq. These are the Subhana Rabbi al-A'la wa bihamdih of Imam al-Sadiq. These are the Subhana Rabbi al-Azim wa bihamdih of Imam al-Sadiq. This is that household that cries in sajda. This is that household that would spend nights in ruku'. This is that household that would spend nights and hours in qiyam. That Imam is saying that this tasbih is more dearer to me than 1,000 rakats of my namaz. 1,000 rakats. Why? Because it encompasses all of Tawheed inside it. It lowers an individual. Namaz should lower an individual. When Sayyidah gives her khutbah and she explains namaz, says was-salatu, and salah has become what? Has become for you an exaltation from pride, from the degradation, from the lowly place that is known as pride, as takabbur. Salah has come to raise you from it. Because pride, sometimes we think pride is something that, this is what I'm proud of. So no, pride is the lowest of the low that you can go. Tomorrow we'll look more in depth at pride. Says in this tasbih, after I've recited my salah, and I placed my head into the earth and said, Subhana Rabbi al-A'la wa bihamdih, there is someone greater than me. I sit down and I recite this tasbih 34 times, Allahu Akbar. No matter how big I think I am, there is someone greater than me. Allahu Akbar. No matter how much power I think I have, Allahu Akbar, Allah is greater. No matter how good looking I am, Allah is better looking. And no matter how strong I think I am, Allah is stronger. No matter how perfect I think I am, Allah is more perfect. No matter how generous I think I am, He is generosity. No matter how merciful I think I am, He is mercy. I'm constantly saying Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Everything that I hold dear in my life, everything that I'm proud of in my life, I'm admitting 34 times that no, there is someone that is better than me. There is someone that is greater than me. There is someone more important than me. And when I realize this, then I think that even though He's so great, even though He's so great, even if He wanted to, He could have destroyed me. But yet He still bestows me with so many mercies in my life. Alhamdulillah for the house that I have. Alhamdulillah for the health that I have. Alhamdulillah for the children. Alhamdulillah for the honor. Alhamdulillah for the patience. Alhamdulillah for my generosity. Alhamdulillah, knowing that everything is coming from Allah. Nothing is from me. I realize that I was a wretch. I realize that He is great. I am insignificant. I realize that He is strong. I am da'if. I'm saying Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Then I realize He's still bestowing mercy on me. So I thank Him for what He has given me. Then once I've thanked Him, I realize that really I was never worthy of all of this that He gave me. But He still gave it to me. And so I'm left in awe of His majesty. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah. This is why it's greater. This tasbih. This is how one creates that peace in their heart.